This top part of Excel is referred to as the ribbon. In the ribbon, there is the home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, and view. So these are the different tabs of the ribbon. We're going to start out by looking at the home tab, and within the home tab, we're going to look at the clipboard. Now, if I wanted to copy some data, what I have in front of us is a table. This is just an arbitrary table, just for the purposes of demonstration. It says temperature, high, low, and then there are some values that I've put in there. There's San Francisco, Chicago, New York, and Los Angeles. Now, if I wanted to, so this is just a table for our purposes. If I wanted to copy this table, all I have to do is highlight the table, do Control C. And if I want to paste the table, I go to a location, I do a Control V. And so now this is just a simple copy and paste. I copied the table and I pasted the table. I'm going to highlight these three rows, and I'm going to delete them for right now. Now, in this clipboard area of our home tab, there are a couple of options. The first one is cut, the second one is copy, the third one is copy formatting, and then there are some paste options here. Now this little arrow that you see down here, all of the subcomponents of each one of these ribbon tabs have these little features at the lower right corner. So if I click on the one for the clipboard, it's going to open up this side panel for me. I'm going to clear all. And what the benefit of having the side panel is that if I copy different pieces from within the table, it's going to keep a record of those pieces on the left side of the column. So if I want to copy San Francisco, I do Control C. I've copied San Francisco. Then I want to copy this number 72. I do a Control C. It has copied the number 72. I want to copy number 62. I do a Control C. Number 62 is copied. Now I'm in cell F3 over here, and I want to paste San Francisco. All I have to do is click on San Francisco. In F4, I want to paste 72. All I have to do is click 72. And then F5, I want to paste 62. All I do is click to paste 62. I want to turn this 72 into 62. I come to this cell F4 and I click on 62. It changes the value to 72. So that is, I'm going to highlight all of these, and I'm going to do Control Delete or Control Backspace or Control Delete, and it's going to delete all the information. Now it deleted the data and it didn't delete the formatting. So now let's say that I want the formatting and all of these to become the same formatting as this cell H3 or the remainder. I don't want to see this colored formatting. All I have to do is this paintbrush over here. I click on the paintbrush. Now I've copied this formatting and I'm going to paste it over here. Now you see, in one click the formatting changed for the top cell, but I want to change the formatting for all three of the cells. So the way I could do is I'm going to do the undo so that you see the green again, and I'm going to copy the formatting again, and then I can paste it on all three of the cells. I'm going to do undo one more time because I like to show you one more feature. So now let's say that I wanted to apply the formatting from this cell H3 independently to all these three cells. So what I will do, I'll come to H3. First I'll hit escape, and I will double click on the formatting. So now you see how my paintbrush is different. It has the plus sign and a brush next to it. So when I click on the first one, it has adopted the formatting. I don't have to highlight all of them at the same time. Now I click on the third row, the formatting changes. Then I click on the second one and the formatting changes. So this formatting is still available to me. So what I will do is I will go ahead and apply this formatting to this cell over here as well. So the benefit of double clicking the formatting button is that it copies the formatting and maintains the formatting with you. So now let's change the formatting for the 70 to look like the 78 up here. So I'm going to hit escape and I'm going to come to the 78. I'm just going to click the formatting once and I'm going to paste it onto 70. Now if I had highlighted this brush once, it's only going to transfer the information once. So this top one is the cut option. All it does is I can highlight a cell, I can cut it, then I can go somewhere else and press enter, and it's going to transfer the information. Now Control Z will undo whatever I've done, and A shortcut to this is also Control X. I can do a Control X, and now that cell is cut. I come to the destination where I would like to paste it. I do a Control V, and it pastes the information. I'm going to undo this, bring this back 72 back to in front of Chicago.